don't make these sneakerhead mistakes. For real. Hey, what's up, family? Today we back in the studio with another banger, and we're gonna go ahead and get into 5 biggest sneakerhead mistakes. Obviously, these are just 5 mistakes that I personally have either gone through, dealt with, or I feel like just, you feel me, need to stop. So if you do end up enjoying this video, leave a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell and let me know what you would like to see in the comments below. Whatever video you have in mind that you want to see somebody do, let me know in the comments below. Without any further ado, man, let's go ahead and get straight to it. So I got my little Supreme samurai knife, and I have this box right here, and you're probably thinking, what mistake could possibly come from a pair of sneakers, right? I've waited to open these for this video right here. Honestly, it wasn't supposed to be for this. It was gonna be a video on its own, but I'm like, bro, there's other mistakes too. Mind you, I've had this box sitting in this corner for probably like 2 months, maybe 3, no bullshit. Open the box, it's all cool, got them from eBay, right? Bad Bunny Adidas, right? And you're probably asking me, what's wrong? Bruh, I got the same sneaker twice. Same size, same sneaker, 2 times. So I put an offer in on GOAT for these. Then I found these for cheaper. So by nature, I'm like, yo, let me just buy the cheaper pair, right? They were like 15 cheaper. So I'm like, all right, let me just go ahead and buy these. And I forgot I put an offer in for these bitches. So I put the offer in on GOAT. Then I bought them on eBay. Then a couple days later, I received a message saying payment went through on GOAT. I'm like, what the fuck is going on? Bro, I ended up with 2 pairs of these, bro. The way GOAT works, basically, you put your offer in, and once it gets accepted, that's it, bro. You gotta wait for the sneaker to come in to return it and all that shit. And I'm the type of person, I don't really like to deal with that type of shit, like be a burden on somebody else's situation. So fuck it, I took the sneakers and now I have 2. But please don't do that. If you buy your shoe, make sure you check the other websites and delete your old offers like StockX or GOAT. You might go ahead and put an offer in, buy them on eBay or somewhere else, and then you're fucking stuck with 2 pairs. So don't do that. The first mistake is leaving an offer in on one of the sneaker apps after you already bought the sneakers. Second mistake is simply not asking for enough pictures. There's never enough pictures, bro. Once again, I'm the prime example for this. I bought these shoes, the undefeated Air Force Ones, which once again, I never dropped a video on. I don't know why, my bad. I got these and the Dunks, but I didn't ask for enough pictures. And you know what happened now? Bruh, look at the sole on these bitches. Look at this. It looked chewed up. Hey yo, what the fuck? They don't look that bad from this angle. I might be able to pull them off low key. From the angle I look at them at, they are chewed. Like, look at these, perfectly round and shit, right? And then look at the Siamese brother, bruh. He's leaning. Why does he need braces? Like, please let me know in the comments below how you feeling about this, bro. Ask for pictures, because you don't want this shit right here. Like, low key, I would have been wore these. I've been into forces heavy lately. I really wish these weren't leaning. Like, let me know if I'd be tripping to still wear these. At this point, eBay said there's nothing you can do because they're authentic. They're just fucked up, and it's my fault for not asking for enough pictures. When the sneakers are already authentic, you might not be able to return them. Thankfully, it happened with some shit like this where it's like $150, $160 and not one of these. You know what I'm saying? Like, we don't want one of those. I would have been sick. Should I still freak with these? I might still freak them, bro. These go so hard for the winter, like, why not? Fuck it. The third mistake is buying what's hyped or what people like versus what you like. You know what I'm saying? Like, there's sneakers that I like that people don't really give a fuck about, and they're my prized possessions. Like these right here, bro. This is the 3rd time I've gotten these. I love the Lakers 6s. They move me, bro, because it's something that I was able to get these when I was a kid. So it's something that, you feel me, I love these. But these aren't the most hyped 6s, you feel me? I know that. 6s aren't even hyped. I love these. And I like the 14s too, and people sleep on those. What I'm basically trying to say is buy whatever you like. It doesn't matter what other people like, what other people think, period, bro. As long as you like that shit, bro, you good, feel me? Fourth mistake is not wearing your sneakers, bro, for a couple reasons. First of all, you spent hella bread to just keep them not to wear them. I understand if you're investing in them, that's different. But if you bought them with the intentions of, yo, these are going in my collection, then you shouldn't really be debating on wearing them or not. I understand sometimes you save some heat for special occasions. Like, I still got my Travis. I haven't even wore the ones because I'm waiting for the right moment. You feel me? But most of my heat I normally wear, bro. Like, what's the point of getting it to not wear it? First of all, it deteriorates the sneaker through time. If you don't wear it, the glue gets fucked as years go on and then they crumble. You don't want that, and you bought them to not wear them. Normally what I do is I let a sneaker come out, boom, everybody's wearing them, cool, dust settles, everybody's shits is beat the fuck up, boom, I'm stepping in my new shit, you feel me? That's how I like doing shit. But regardless, I wouldn't really say don't wear your sneakers. I understand not wearing them for a little bit because you waiting, but don't wait too long, you feel me? Pull them bitches out. It's meant to be pulled out. Whoa, pause on that. But yeah, man, I don't know, I feel like you should wear your kicks for sure. And number 5, which is the last basically mistake that us sneakerheads have, is not knowing when to buy or when to sell. You lose money, bro. It's the final boss, bro. You're not trying to lose money. So 2 things you don't want to do is sell right after a release or buy right after a release. If you want the sneaker, I would say wait for 1 to 2 weeks after the online orders come in. That's when prices take that little dip before they start going up, or sometimes they just stay in the little dip for a little while, depending on the shoe. You know what I'm saying? But don't buy right when the sneaker releases. That's the peak of the money, bro. You're gonna lose like extra for no reason. Literally, just wait a couple days, wait a week or 2. The sneakers ain't going nowhere. At this point, you took your L. So just wait. Don't act off impulse or emotion. And as far as selling, if you hit on a shock drop like me right now, I hit on the Cool Grey shock drop. Dropped the video like a little bit ago, you feel me? Watch the video if you haven't, the review. But depending on the shoe, sell them shits before the main release, cause like these Cool Greys, there's a million pairs coming out. Price is about to plummet, bro. Like they gon' zoom, 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 straight to the bottom. But they're gonna come up eventually, but I ain't trying to wait that eventually time period. I would only recommend holding if you got the pair on the main release. Early pairs, normally get them in and out and try to hit again. But yeah, I don't know, that's like reselling advice. I'm gonna probably do another video on that. Let me know if y'all enjoyed this video by leaving a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel, bro. Click the post notification bells so you're notified whenever we post. I don't know when this is dropping. Let me know what kind of giveaways y'all would like to see in the comments. But with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.